Hello everybody, my name is Matt and welcome to my channel called TDM Style. So if you're looking for some videos in the realm of men's hair and grooming, you've come to the right place. So here on this channel you will find lots of content for hair product reviews, hairstyling tutorials. Sometimes I'll delve a little bit into the fashion world and I'll review things like clothing subscription services. Occasionally we'll do some hair compare videos where we take two brands of hair products and pit them up against one another. And last but certainly not least, sometimes you will see a cosplay build type of video around here, as that's really where my channel started. So if any or all of that sounds of interest to you, please do hit that subscribe button down below and be sure to hit the notification bell too, just so you see all the new videos that I post every week. Thank you so much for coming by and having a look at my channel, and we'll see you at the next one.